Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Casual Crypto Guy. Today I'll be bringing to you a plug-and-play device called MapMetrics. It is a navigational device. It has an app attached to it. I've been testing it out for over a week now. I have earned some MapMetrics or MMAPS tokens. So far I've been 660 MMAPS tokens. What the value is, I don't know until the token is released onto the exchanges. But eventually, what happens is that when these tokens are released, the price usually just drops when people automatically start to sell. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm just providing you information of what's out there, and simple, easy things for especially people who don't know crypto and how to get involved in crypto and start just making little here and there. So inside the box, we have the actual device. It's called the SPT. It has drive and earn, created by the community for the community. So the SPT is very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. It should fit anywhere on your vehicle. You don't need to attach it to anything. It is just plug and play. You can charge it. The charge lasts, I think, about 10 to 12 hours, something like that. I have to look at the manual to figure that out. It also comes with a USB-C cord that you can use, SPT manual, and a sticker in the back. So that's the breakdown of what's inside, all the contents inside the box. It's a nice little simple design. I do like it. I won't be reviewing the app yet because the app is just terrible, truthfully. It is not up to standards for a navigation app. It has a lot of bugs that need to be worked out. So once all those bugs are worked out, then I'll provide a nice little overview of what's going on with that. The team has been great in answering questions. They are going to award those who connect their devices about 2,000 MMAP tokens, and they are rewarding those who do connect on a daily basis 220 MMAPS tokens. You do have to fill out a Google Docs form. It's not hard. So, they are compensating people for what's going on currently with the app itself. Again, once the app is actually usable, I'll be able to provide an overview and a review of that and how it actually earns. You can still get this thing to earn. It has the power button right here. You can hold it on. It automatically turns on. You do have to connect it with your phone, allow the Bluetooth connection. This is the power meter button. It tells you if it's being charged or not. And this is the token button. Right now for the token button, you have to drive about 15 minutes before this token light comes on after you have connected with the app itself. So again, a quick breakdown what's inside the MapMetrics box. I'll leave some links below and the cost below, what it actually costs to get this device. Again, as for a navigation app, it does not compete with Google or any other app that is out there. All right, guys, have a good one. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.